Hey guys, it's Alicia here again. Now today I am making another Weight Watcher friendly recipe, and that is for Bubble Up Taco Casserole. I really like the Bubble Up casseroles because they're easy, they're delicious, and they're also really easy to make Weight Watcher friendly. So let me get started and I'll show you what you're gonna need to make this. Okay, first thing is you're gonna need 1 pound of a very lean hamburger. You're gonna need 2 cups of a reduced fat cheese blend. I like to use the Weight Watcher Mexican cheese blend. That is the lowest in points cheese that I have found. Then you're gonna need 1 can of rinsed and drained black beans. For veggies, I've got here a red pepper chopped, a red onion chopped, and about half a bunch of green onion chopped. You're gonna need a can of diced tomatoes with green chilies and a can of red enchilada sauce. Then you're also gonna need your refrigerator biscuits. Now, if you want to keep the points low on this, you're gonna wanna use the cans that are about 7.5 ounces, about half the size of this one. They come in a 4-pack. I'm not too worried about keeping the points down for myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and just use what I have, which is the whole can. Now, if you use the standard size can, it's going to increase the point value per serving a couple points. And then you're gonna need 2/3 cup water, a couple teaspoons of minced garlic, and a couple tablespoons of taco seasoning. And that is it. Okay, first thing is preheat your oven to 350. And then you're gonna get a pan, and I've got a little Nonfat cooking spray in here because I'm using such a lean meat. I don't want it to stick. We're gonna start with cooking our hamburger. I'm gonna cook this for probably about 5 minutes until it is browned. And while my hamburger is browning, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my biscuits. I like to just cut them in 6. You can do whatever size you want, but this size seems to work pretty well. And again, if you're trying to keep the points down on this, you either want to just use half of this can, which I didn't want to do that because I just wanted to use the whole can, or you can use the smaller size can. Okay, my meat is nice and brown, so now I'm going to add my taco seasoning and my water, and I'm going to just let this cook for a little bit until some of the water has evaporated out of this. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes and this is looking good. A lot of the water has evaporated out. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour in all my veggies and my garlic. And I'm gonna just give this a good stir and let it cook for a minute or 2. And you can use whatever type of veggies you like. Really, the more veggies you put in this, the more bulk it adds to the recipe, and therefore you get a larger portion size. And the veggies, of course, are free of points. Okay, I let this cook just about 2 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in my enchilada sauce and my diced tomatoes and green peppers. And I'm gonna just give that a good stir. Next, I'm gonna put in my black beans. You can use a different type of bean if you want, or you can omit them completely, and that would bring the point total down probably another point or so per serving. But I like the beans for the added fiber and bulk that they give to this. I'm gonna just stir those in, and now I'm gonna add about half of my cheese. I'm gonna reserve a little bit to put on the top. Mix that in. And the one bad thing about these lower fat cheeses is they don't tend to melt real well, but that's okay. And lastly, I'm going to add my biscuits. And just stir those in there. Okay, now that I've got this all mixed together, I'm going to take my 13x9 pan here, which I've got sprayed with a non-fat cooking spray. And I'm going to just pour this into here. I'm gonna just smooth this in here, and then I'm gonna stick this in the oven that is preheated for about 20-25 minutes. just until the biscuits start to get kind of browned. Okay, it's been 25 minutes and this is looking good. I'm now going to take the remaining cheese and sprinkle it on top of this. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Okay, and here it is finished after putting it back in for 5 minutes with the cheese. I will go ahead and cut a piece of this out and show you how I top mine. And here it is plated up. I went ahead and just put a little bit of lettuce and sour cream, tomato, and cilantro on this. You can just eat it plain if you want. And do keep in mind, if you add sour cream, it is gonna increase the points a little bit. Now, I figured the points out on this and they come in at just under 9 points. So I rounded it up to 9 points a serving if you do 6 servings out of this. Anyway, this tastes pretty much just like a taco, just without the crunch of the shell. It is really easy to make and really delicious, and I hope you try it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.